Chapter 9: Digital Marketing and SEO. In today's time, if you don't have your business online, you're already losing a huge market share. For any entrepreneur or business owner, it is essential to get familiar with the paradigms of online marketing. Today, digital marketing is a valuable asset to business growth and helps to establish a sound online presence. Digital marketing. Digital marketing is also called online marketing. It is defined as the use of digital channels to promote a product or service. The goal of this approach is to connect with customers online, the place where they spend the most time seeking information or entertainment. Digital marketing is defined by the use of numerous digital tactics and channels to connect with customers where they spend much of their time online. The best digital marketers have a clear picture of how each digital marketing campaign supports their overarching goals. And depending on the goals of their marketing strategy, marketers can support a larger campaign through the free and paid channels at their disposal. Why is digital marketing important? Marketing has always been about connecting with your audience in the right place and at the right time. Today, you need to meet them where they are already spending time, on the internet. However, digital marketing has become increasingly important because of how accessible digital channels are. From social media to text messages, there are many ways to use digital marketing tactics in order to communicate with your target audience. Additionally, digital marketing has minimal upfront costs, making it a cost-effective marketing technique for small businesses. Benefits of digital marketing. You can focus your efforts on only the prospects most likely to purchase your product or service. It's more cost-effective than outbound marketing methods. Digital marketing evens the playing field within your industry and allows you to compete with bigger brands. Digital marketing is measurable. It's easier to adapt and change a digital marketing strategy. Digital marketing can improve your conversion rate and the quality of the leads. You can engage audiences at every stage with digital marketing. Modes of digital marketing. There are 6 different modes of digital marketing. First, content marketing. Content is the essential marketing tool that helps in converting audiences into customers by delivering relevant information without having to sell the product or service. Examples of content marketing: blog posts, ebooks, newsletters, video or audio transcripts, white papers and infographics. Second, search engine optimization. Optimizing your website and landing pages with high search volume keywords helps the business to become a top-tier brand. The process of SEO takes time and effort but helps businesses with a great digital presence. Third, search engine marketing pay-per-click. From optimizing your landing pages to the creation and execution of ad campaigns, PPC will help in assisting and constantly engaging your business with online audiences. Fourth, social media marketing. Social media marketing is luring the audience into buying your products or services by making them seem like a necessity. Organic social media marketing is a great hook for businesses and organizations across sectors and industries. To create an effective social media marketing strategy, it's crucial to follow best practices. Here are a few of the most important social media marketing best practices. Craft high-quality and engaging content. Reply to comments and questions in a professional manner. Create a social media posting schedule. Post at the right time. Hire social media managers to support your marketing efforts. Know your audience and which social media channels they're most active on. Fifth, affiliate and influencer marketing. one of the most trending ways of publicizing your brand online is to make someone popular endorse it. The television and print industry has been doing it for ages and succeeded in all its glory, so why not do it online too? Sixth, email marketing. Through email marketing, you can promote your brand online without persuading the audience. Emails are sent to potential masses that may, in any manner, contribute to the business. Search Engine Optimization, SEO. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. In simple terms, it means the process of improving your site to increase its visibility when people search for products or services related to your business on Google, Bing, and other search engines. The better visibility your pages have in search results, the more likely you are to garner attention and attract prospective and existing customers to your business. Fact GPT. The key difference between SEO and paid advertising is that SEO involves organic ranking, which means you don't pay to be in that space. To make it a bit simpler, search engine optimization means taking a piece of online content and optimizing it so search engines like Google show it towards the top of the page when someone searches for something. SEO is crucial because it makes your website more visible, and that means more traffic and more opportunities to convert prospects into customers. Elements of SEO. SEO has everything to do with quantity and quality. The better your website is on both the back and front ends, the better traffic you will get, and the more search engines will increase your search rankings. Building SEO works by combining SEO elements using a data-driven approach. These factors include keyword analysis. Keywords are one of the reasons why you need SEO for your business. Prospective customers will use certain words or phrases to search for a product or service. If your content contains those words and phrases used by customers, you will increase your visibility because you are providing the answers by specifically utilizing the appropriate keywords. The most effective SEO keywords will be those that are carefully researched and analyzed. Backlink building. Backlinks are elements on your website that link back to other credible, high-quality websites. Building backlinks improve your credibility because you are citing sources that are relevant to your area of expertise. For example, including current, trending events straight from their source can increase your credibility. Content creation. Content allows you to communicate directly with your audience of existing and prospective customers. Keywords help you build authority, trust, consistency, and engagement. Strong content can balance the human side of your customer-driven business with the data-driven analytics necessary to optimize your digital presence. The content drives SEO by directly engaging with current and potential customers, thus driving traffic. Content tells the audience who you are and what you offer. Stages of the SEO. SEO is not a static process but rather a framework with rules and processes. For simplicity though, SEO can be broken down into three main types. On-page SEO, page and content optimization. Off-page SEO, website promotion. Technical SEO, crawling and indexing. On-page SEO. On-page SEO has to do primarily with the content and other elements found on a page. The main focus of on-page SEO is to provide search engine crawlers with enough signals so that they can understand the meaning and context of the content. At this stage, you will deal with website structure, SEO keywords, title optimizations, headings, internal links, image SEO, structured data markup, and other techniques that can send the right signals to search engines. If followed correctly, on-page SEO will also improve the usability and credibility of a website or blog. Off-site SEO. Besides the changes you can do to your website, on-site SEO, so that it ranks higher in the SERPs, the other way to improve your website's ranking position is by using off-site SEO techniques. Technical SEO. Technical SEO works using configurations that you must create in order to facilitate the work of search engine crawlers. You might not need to worry about technical SEO again if you do it correctly the first time. On the other hand, having crawling and indexing issues may have a negative effect on your rankings. Recapitulate. For any entrepreneur or business owner, it is essential to get familiar with the paradigms of online marketing. The goal of the digital marketing approach is to connect with customers online. Digital marketing can improve your conversion rate and the quality of your leads. The process of SEO takes time and effort but helps businesses with a great digital presence. To create an effective social media marketing strategy, it's crucial to follow best practices. Gloss GPT. Paradigms, a pattern or model. Keywords, words and phrases that users type into search engines to find relevant data. Luring, tempting. Garner, gather or collect.